Welcome, my name is Diederik Martens from Smop Software and thank you for joining this additional short demo on Calcitnow in standalone support. I highly advise you to watch the full demo first. This features a full integration with Marketo with all the capabilities. This demo, however, is looking into how it would look like if you work in a standalone environment. As you can see, the dashboard is still the same. If we go to settings, you will see you won't have all the other panes available and just your API user and API key. If you go to formulas, you would see that you don't have the test here. And what you will see is that the webhook will have a different format. In the fully integrated version, for instance with Marketo, you would see that the webhook actually doesn't require you to map the results. You call it with the webhook, but the entire program of Calcitnow uses the REST API to set all the data. In this case, however, you will see that, for instance, lead ID is missing, but it will ask you for every variable, for in this case lead score, to be inserted as a query parameter. So if you click this, well, obviously it only accepts numeric values for this. So if we type 34, and obviously the formula is lead score plus 10. So if that's 34 plus 10 equals 44, and it's this field, result, formula outcome, that you should map in your own application. Another thing to mention obviously is the compatibility of the formula wizard. As you can see, you cannot select an output field because obviously we don't know which fields you have because you haven't integrated. You can only select the free format, add a description. Another thing you will see is you can still drag and drop all kinds of functions or type freely here, but you won't have a list of fields available. Instead, you use field name in this format. So if I would take a formula, for instance, calmax, it would take the maximum value out of multiple inputs, for instance these. So I could take lead score 1 and lead score 2, if these are fields that I can provide and which are available, and of course, in the platform that I have. And it would then take this and just leaves the highest value. However, it's this exact format would then require you to add as parameter in the URL of the webhook, as you can see right here. Right, lead score. And this is case sensitive. That's all I wanted to share. So thank you for joining.